It's easy. I think that's easier than just you guys writing it down and trying to go up here, not hearing what I'm saying. All right, so everything I have up here, you have in your on Classroom right now. So it's going to first grade of the second quarter. All right, first grade of the second quarter. Quarter one's done today. You guys got your grade on asking for that once I add in tonight's homework or last night's homework. There's going to be 2 proofs, 8 points each. And guys, I'm going to tell you what the proofs are. One's going to deal with an isosceles triangle. It could be given it's isosceles or prove it's isosceles. Who knows? I'm not going to give that much away. And then there will be a tough proof. What do I mean by a tough proof? Maybe prove a pair of triangles to get another pair congruent, like we did on Wednesday in class. All right, that's what I mean by tough proof. Real quickly, 5 methods of proving triangles. I just want to make sure we're solid with those. All right, oh, let's stop there. Always forgetful. HL, but it's got to be what type of triangle? Well, not right angle. It's got to be a right triangle to use it, and you need to tell me in the proof what? That you have right triangles. All right, so make sure before you use HL, if you need to on Monday, you tell me you have right triangles before writing down HL. All right, other 2 methods? SAS and angle side. And I don't know if I need to do a cartwheel while saying it or what, but that is it. That's all you have. This is not a choose your own adventure, make up your own method. This is all I have for it. That's it. Okay, I'm not hiding anything. That is all you have available. Notice angle, still not up there. Right? Side angle, still not up there. That's all I got available to you. Vocabulary for an isosceles triangle. I may use these words: base, vertex angle, base angles. Make sure we know what I'm talking about, okay? Because I am not going to go say, oh, the 2 congruent angles. I'm going to say the base angles instead on Monday. Exterior angle theorem. What am I talking about there? Oh boy. Yes, but angle 1 is equal exterior. Angle 1 is equal to the. Oh, that's the big girl word I was looking for. Yep. Sum of the 2 remote interiors. Angle 3 and angle 4. Yep. So let's remember that. And then I'm not too sure why I put CP/CTC up there, to be honest. I'm sure it'll come up in the proofs. All right, just a reminder. Sunday review, I'm pushing it back or earlier, a half hour. So 4:30 to 5:30. And remember what we talked about on Friday, or God, I keep saying Friday. Wednesday, please use the Google Meet link right underneath Unit 4, please. All right, this bad boy. We'll even open it up now.
Will you record it?
For you, Maddie, sure. And I'll put it right under Unit 4. All right, it should say Honors Geometry BC Unit 4 test. All right, all good, everybody? 4:30 to 5:30. Honestly, I'll come to school and do it. It's easier for me to do it that way. Just for you guys. All right, that's the dedication I'll put into you. We all good on the review with the topics? Anything you want to go over or more detail? Okay, here we go. Now here's where you got to really focus for me. What do I have available to me to review? Because I put a ton out there for you for this weekend. A ton. As usual, you have packet questions. Pages 40 to 41, answers are in the back. As usual as well, on the top of page 40, I've recommended textbook problems to try. Those answers are also in the back of your packet. In addition to all that I usually do, on Classroom, and you guys can take a look at them if you want. On Classroom, I put an extra review on there, which contains 2 files. More practice for the unit test. And you'll see it's 32 pages, but whoa. Just so you know, so you don't get confused if you tried over the weekend, here are all the questions. And then I repeat the whole packet again with my answers filled in. after all the questions are done. Look at all those. See? And then I start repeating everything with the answers written in. All right, so it's just so you know how that one's set up. And there's also another file on there that says tougher triangle proofs. That's prove a pair to get a pair. And those answers are right there. Okay, now look, these are mine. So don't, oh, we never use that in class. Okay, I know. All right, I just put the book answers in. All right, it was just going to be quicker for you guys to get access to it. All right, so you guys can at least see where the proofs are going. All right, so more than enough review for you guys, I think. If you're coming and joining us virtually for the review on Sunday, come with questions. Okay, come with questions. All right, because I'm not going to do anything special for that review other than answer your questions. And it's only going to be you and the other honors class. That's it. My other geometry class is not taking the test until their own test until Tuesday or Wednesday. So any questions or comments about where to review? Go ahead. All right, usually at this point I say go do what you want, but I'm not going to do that right now. I picked out a select few from your textbook that I want to do with you right now. All right, a little more challenging ones that I want to do with you, and then I'll let you go on your own. So I don't know if you want to bring your textbook up on your Chromebook right now. It's up to you. These are coming from your textbook. All right, these questions I'm going to go over with you are coming from the textbook. All right, page 310 in the textbook if you want to join us. I'm going to look at number 5 first on page 310. Once I get through my questions, then you're free to go. A lot of rain there, huh? Anybody big weekend plans while everyone gets set up? Nice. Where's that, Maddie?
New Jersey.
Ooh, boy.
So we got 3 a.m. on Sunday.
Nice. On Sunday, huh?
Yeah.
And then drive back?
Yeah.
You gonna be here on Monday?
Yeah.
Darn right you are.
Is there a Capitol game on Sunday?
There is a Capital game. I'm not going though.
Okay. Is
Okay.
Lily Barr going to be with Lily?
I have no idea.
Good talk, everyone. Good talk. Anybody else? Big weekend plans? Okay. Okay, sounds good.
Probably just watching Grey's Anatomy.
Girl, get a life.
All right.
Yeah, literally. Nobody asked.
We gotta do what we gotta do. Don't judge, right, Mira? Tell them don't judge.
Don't judge.
That's my life.
And he asked.
There you go. That's my life. I'm sure some of us have some deep down guilty pleasures that we may not want to disclose. So that's fine. What's that?
I'm building a desk.
Building a desk.
Yeah.
Like an actual, how big? Like my desk or your desk?
Probably that desk.
Really? All by yourself?
No, with co-family.
Okay. All out of wood?
Yeah.
Really, a skilled craftsman, Matt, huh? That's good. I envy that, Matt, because let me tell you a quick story. And when I was in high school, I had, you had to take an art credit, probably similar to you guys, to graduate. And let's just say I wasn't the most talented artist, so taking actual studio art probably wasn't the best option for me. So I could get away with doing woodworking instead of getting credit for my art credit that way, doing woodworking. So the first project was a pencil holder. Okay, you would think nice and easy, right? You just drill some holes in, smooth it down, stain it, no big deal. Well, let's just say you put your pencil in my pencil holder and went right through. So that's how much skill I had. Yeah. Yeah. I actually got through the final project, which was making a clock. It wasn't the best, but I got through it and it looked like a clock. So yeah, that was my pencil holder. Put your pencil through and right through the hole. Yep. All right, good story. All right, moving on. So on page 310, number 5 in particular, is the underlined word true or false in that sentence? If it's false, tell me the correct word to replace it. So is the vertex angles of an isosceles triangle congruent? Is that statement true? The vertex angles of an isosceles triangle are congruent. True or false?
Not, it can be true, but not always.
Yeah.
No. Okay,
I'll
never
go
mind.
close.
Take it back.
Well, first of all, we gotta know what
There's no such thing
vertex
as a
angle
vertex
means.
angle. That's so, yeah.
So is it the one that is that the congruent angles we call vertex angles? No, right? So this is false. What word would I need to replace it with? What are the angles called that are congruent? And I saw those are called base angles. Yes. That's what I'm trying to get at. Know your vocab. The vertex angle is the non-congruent one. Oh, I love 27. Love this one. Basically, are the triangles congruent? If they are, name the method. For 27. Are those two triangles congruent? If they are, give me the method. Many of you are like, why would he give me one this easy? All right? Why would he give me one this easy? Because I just, right? I just
They're false.
throw here,
Um,
and then I got a little SSS rocket.
Nope. Answer
No, you're right. That's just why I pick it. This is not side, side, side. You got the reflexive side, but you don't have the other two S's. Why not?
because we don't know that they're-
What's this side congruent to? This side in the same triangle. They got to be congruent to something in the other triangle. Everybody good? This is not possible. Just because these two are congruent, the side should be congruent to another triangle, which they're not. All right, so this is a little NP here, not possible. Good? Any issues there? Okay, the other couple I wanted to go over were page 315 now, finding angle X. Could you find angle X? So might need a little calculating device possibly, but here you go, number 11 on page 315 in your textbook. Can you find X? All right, you want to try to guide me through this one? Where'd you start? Because there's no way I could find X right away. Where'd you guys start? Stop right there.
I found the I forgot what they're called. The
No, you
base
didn't.
angles.
Yep.
The base angles.
What was 116?
The vertex.
Okay, go from the vertex angle, 116. I see this as isosceles. Base angles must be congruent. So from there,
Those are 32.
so I did 180 minus 116, cut them in half, and each one is
32.
32. Everyone good so far? All right, keep rolling if you want, or somebody else could take over. I don't care.
Added the 32 and the 72.
Yep.
And subtracted that from 180.
Straight line, right? I got a straight angle here equals 180. So that left what here?
76.
76. And what'd you know about this triangle?
It's isosceles.
So the base angle is also 76.
And then add those and subtract from 180.
So we end up with
28.
28 degrees. Nice little problem right there. Nice little problem. Questions using isosceles triangle facts? All right, and then the last one we're going to do together is number 19. Same pages, number 19. Can you guys find angle 2 for me? Is it possible? Can you find angle 2? Looks like you got another isosceles triangle on your hands. Wow, how about that rain? All right, one of the base angles was 66, meaning what's the other base angle in that isosceles triangle?
66.
I know that, yes, but that would be angle one here. Angle one, that's it. Yep, thank you. Angle 1, 66. So that should have led you to the vertex. Are we assuming that's a right angle? Absolutely not. Get out of here. So we have 66, 66, making my vertex angle. That's what I was thinking. 40. Are we sure?
48.
I'm taking your advice here.
Yeah.
All right, where'd you go from here? Because that triangle's all done.
4 is the linear pair.
Nice vocabulary, Maddie. 4 is the linear pair with 3. And it's also, I don't know if anybody noticed this, exterior to this triangle. So it should have added up to 66 and 66, right? 132. And now angle 2 is going to be not too bad. Now that I know that's 24. So angle 2 is going to be 24 degrees. Good. Questions from you guys? We're all good? Anything you want to ask, like last minute questions if you're not coming to the review? I'll be here after school too, if anybody wants to stop by and review. I know it's Friday, but I'll still be here. All right, choose your own path now. You got packet, you got textbook, you got the 2 files on Classroom. Do you. Let's go.